Okay, I want you to just take a minute and kind of manipulate the slide just to get used to this before you start doing the problems. I'd like you to practice dragging, deleting, and writing in text boxes that I have for you. Okay, so just as an example, if I wanted to build 4x minus 2 equals 2, okay, think of that as 4x minus 2 on the left of your balance, okay, balanced with 2 on the right side of your balance. So 4x, these green rectangles are x's, the red squares are negative charges, and the yellow squares are positive charges. So if I want to show 4x minus 2, I'm going to drag 4 green rectangles for 4x. Okay, so when you drag, I think a lot of kids just press down on the mouse pad, and then they use that same finger to drag. Maybe because I'm old, but I think it's easier to put your left finger, sorry about the motorcycle, put your left finger down on the mouse pad, keep it pressed, and then take your right finger to move it. I mean, to me, I have better control. Okay, so left finger, press down, keep it pressed, right finger, move the shape. Okay, so there's my 4x. Okay, now I want to show minus 2. Okay, you could think of minus 2 as simply negative 2. Okay, so that'd be 2 reds. Okay, negatives are red. And by the way, you don't have to build these. I just want you to kind of play with this. So there's 1 red, left finger down, right finger drag. Okay, 4x minus 2 on the left. Okay, 4x minus 2 on the left equals balances with 2 on the right. Okay, so that'd be 2 positives, 2 yellows on the right. Okay, so just play around with dragging. Okay, let's say you had a red and a yellow on the same side of your balance. Okay, you had a red and a yellow on the same side of your balance. And notice in the problem we built, those are on opposite sides. So that doesn't count. If you have a red and a yellow on the same side of your balance scale, they actually attract each other and cancel. So let's say you had these two on one side and you wanted to cancel. You have 2 choices. You could drag them off of your scale and just move them down underneath your scale. I'm good with that. Okay. Or if you would rather, you could delete them. And one way to delete a shape is to get on top of it, double tap, and see the word delete. It's like the 5th word down. Just click that. Okay, double tap. Find the word delete, and then click. Just kind of play around with that if you want to. I did want to show you, you're going to be filling in a lot of blanks on this Google Slides. If I wanted to type in math is fun, I do have text boxes in here, but you have to find them. So let's say I'm trying to type math. So I'm clicking. So if that happens to you, just kind of feel around. There it is. I just wasn't quite at the text box. So there's my math. Okay, feel around to try to find the is, to type is. There's my text box. Okay, they will be there for you. And then fun, because math is fun. Okay, just play around. Do the very best you can on this Google Slides lesson. Remember, there's videos to help you, and also let me know if I can help you. Okay, I want you to do well on this.